You got the boys with the toys in the basement making noise?
Hey, look, the Yankee candle.
Yes, I'm all over that. All right, here's the dramatic shot. Bum 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 bum. Oh man, there's a sign in front of my sign.
This is truly the scariest place
Nice.
on earth.
Bum 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 bum. We have been here before.
Yes, we have.
All right, didn't I?
I just asked him that. He's like, I don't think so.
You're parking in the same spot too. We're going in, and Drew's gonna push some buttons, and we're gonna browse around,
Or we're gonna have some food.
and we're gonna rob the place, stick them up. My only regret is that we didn't get lunch first, but
You can
well,
do
yeah.
that afterwards.
Yeah, we'll do it between spirits.
So you're gonna spend all our money here, and
No.
then we're gonna like beg for change.
Okay. Up ahead, there it is. Guys, get in. It's on. Drew's gonna push some buttons. It looks like a spirit. I see Sam. Dude, the bomb. Awesome. All right, Drew, let's go.
Check out this cider here. It's not as good as the one we did back in college, but you know.
Ours is better.
Ours-
Ours fell off from the roof and attacked us on camera.
I'm buying this.
To complete your bonehead. This is what I'm wearing to work right here. Oh yeah. Dude, I think I'm gonna refrain from buying any costumes here. This is an accessory place. I'm gonna go to Savers and look at their costumes. I do have a couple things.
This is a place for accessories. This is kind of cool.
Oh, I got one of those. I wore it for my wedding.
That's actually pretty cool.
I like the wood grain.
Yeah, it looks really cool.
Nice. I don't think I've ever bought a t-shirt here.
Talk about.
Cool. Well, these are spirit brands. Let's see if there's another maker in here.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I'm buying another one for Amy because I know she'll have it. She'll steal it. She's like, I like that mask. I'm taking it. Actual GI issue.
Sure it is.
The red one or the green one would be perfect for the MST3K because
Yeah.
they did either one.
Right.
I think the red one's probably the more
Famous one.
famous one. And then like to make the patch, that's actually pretty easy to do.
That'd be kind of cool, dude. It's just only if, man. You can actually scare the crap out of somebody with that. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
If you painted that silver and took that off, just come at him, dude. Like, come at me, dude. I don't know. The orange chips are getting smaller. There you go, Lisa. Hello. Okay, Drew.
Here we go.
That is pretty imposing.
I don't get the joke.
He didn't get it. Hey, a horse walked in the bar and the guy said, hey, why the long face?
80s.
Whoa. That needs blood all over it. That needs blood on it too. Oh my god.
It.
It's sad in the generation you grew up in, it's now a costume thing.
Red.
I am. I should wear that. Whoa.
Oh my god. There you go.
Let's go back a couple more years, a couple more decades here.
Ooh, that's kind of cool. Spike headband.
Whoa. Here you go. This is you, Drew.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's not comfortable. It's kind of... That's not happening.
Well, no, it's the inside will be comfortable. The outside, no.
Yeah, nobody hugs you anyway, so it doesn't matter. This is cute. Dude, you can pimp it out, dude. Oh yeah. Okay, some pimps gotta get beat up by the other pimps.
The Playboy robe.
No, look at it. You had this hanging here. You got that there.
It spins.
You get your grill. You get your grill.
Then you gotta get your
Money
hands in the pocket.
There you go. That's right, man. The t-shirt going on here.
You can do Run DMC so easily.
Oh, dude, we should. Come on, man. That'd be hilarious. I no rhythm, man. It's tricky. Huh. Nice.
I got the power.
Keep it on there. You got a shield built in. This is pretty cool,
Next to
dude.
the round table.
No, I was gonna go like I'm trying to think of a clever Three Musketeers thing, but I got nothing. Forged in plastic.
Ooh, that looks really
Kind of cool, actually.
Look at this. Holy crap, that's like legit right there. That's really cool.
Actually, that is pretty cool. That's cool.
Pretty cool looking. Careful, dude. It's loaded.
Wednesday dresses.
Someone's being killed.
Oh, inflatable.
Or someone's without a mask.
Guy.
Sergeant Kabuki, man. Yeah, it's waiting to happen. Just waiting to happen. And all together now. Wow. That's only slightly obnoxious. That's like obnoxious beyond words. You imagine stepping on that in the night? Let's go see some scaring. Sam! Hi, Sam! Oh, you are kind of cool, though. Sam! He's getting blood. Yeah, a little copyrighted, dude.
Yeah, dude, look. Stealing my look. Oh my god.
Uh-oh. Oh, jeez. Smash him. It's like the urban Thor. Hi.
Down to $10.
Oh, okay.
So flying bats?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
It's the mechanism that makes him flap is where it's worthwhile. Oh, oh. Oh. I'm knocking over tombstones. I'm gonna go to hell for that.
Yeah, you know.
It didn't fall over, so shut up. Oh, nasty. Look at this. It's even in their mouth. Make it all zombie.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Jack. We named the monkey Jack. Thing should be 6 feet long. My kid's costume. Oh my god. No! Nice! They're both activated! Woohoo!
That's a cool looking
I think it's defective though. It's supposed to kill some people or something. I love how they get in with the kids' costumes. Alright, let's see what we got.
It's all fun and games till somebody loses their soul.
I don't get it. This is kind of fun. This thing is just kind of uncanny and freaky. Imagine that just in a closet. Just waiting for you. Alright, that was stop number 1 in our Halloween excursion. Now it's just stop number 2. Paul said getting something to eat.
Get some food.
And then on to...
Savers.
It's kind of cool.
Yeah. It's a little small.
You know, you need like sunglasses because it kind of looks
Open
like
it up a little bit.
It looks like a dog nose a little bit. Put some sunglasses on, make it like a skull.
And floppy ear.
That's better.
My name is Skeleton.
Oh god, Scully!
Skeleton.
We are heading into Berlin, Massachusetts.
Yep.
And what made Berlin so special back in the day? Spooky World. The original Spooky World. Not the Spooky World that this generation watching this grew up on with that whole Foxborough stuff. This is where I met Elvira. This is where I met Robert Englund. Oh, and Kane Hodder for the first time. Oh my god. And I almost lost my wife to him.
Quite literally.
I was able to pry her off.